Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Xiaomi 12 Lite does have the dual SIM slot. And to do this, first let's locate the slot, which is on the bottom right here. We need to remove the cover to access it. Now take a needle, which should be included in the box, and stick it in a gap right here. Do not mistake it for the one on the right, as that's a microphone. And now plug in and release the SD or SIM card slot, and inside we can find dual SIM slot, one right here and another one on the right. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.